Looking for a quick and powerful way to boost your immune system? In just 2 minutes, you can whip up a lemon ginger tea that's packed with nutrients to keep you healthy and energized. Let's get started. Lemon ginger tea isn't just delicious, it's a natural remedy with powerful benefits. Lemon is loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system, while ginger has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Together, they create the ultimate immune-boosting drink. Plus, it only takes 2 minutes to make, so there's no excuse not to try it. Here's what you'll need. Half a lemon, a small piece of fresh ginger, about 1 inch long, a teaspoon of honey, optional but recommended, and a cup of hot water. These simple ingredients are probably already in your kitchen, making this tea both easy and affordable. First, slice your lemon in half. We'll use 1/2 for the tea. Next, grate about a teaspoon of fresh ginger. If you don't have a grater, you can finely chop the ginger instead. The fresher the ingredients, the better the flavor and health benefits. Now squeeze the juice from half a lemon into your cup. Add the grated ginger and pour in a cup of hot water. Stir well to combine. If you like a touch of sweetness, add a teaspoon of honey. It's not only delicious, but also has antimicrobial properties. Step 3. Steep and enjoy. Let the tea steep for about a minute to allow the ginger to release its flavor, and that's it. Your immune-boosting lemon ginger tea is ready. It's perfect for sipping in the morning, after a meal, or any time you need a quick health boost. Let's quickly recap why this tea is so effective. Boosts immunity thanks to the high vitamin C content in lemon. Fights inflammation as ginger's anti-inflammatory properties help reduce soreness and swelling. Soothes digestion, with ginger also aiding in digestion and relieving nausea. Detoxifies as lemon helps flush out toxins from your body. And all of this in just 2 minutes of preparation. Want to mix it up? Here are a few variations. Add a pinch of cinnamon for extra warmth and flavor. Drop in a few fresh mint leaves for a refreshing twist. Use green tea as your base instead of plain water for an added antioxidant boost. Feel free to experiment and make it your own. And there you have it. A simple 2-minute recipe for lemon ginger tea that will keep you feeling your best this season. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who could use a little immune boost. Don't forget to subscribe for more quick and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.